Assalamu alaikum. I am MD Niamul, your conversion tracking and analytics expert. Today we are solving the mystery of the broken sales funnel. You are running meta ads and users are clicking, they even enter their emails, but then they vanish before the purchase. Without the right GA4 reports, you are flying blind. You don't know if it's a technical glitch or a landing page problem. The solution is not just more ads, it is data precision. I implement a 3-milestone framework to find and fix these leaks. First, I audit your GA4 event structure. We ensure every step from the ad click to the final thank you page is tracked with 99% accuracy. I set up server-side tracking to bypass iOS restrictions and ad blockers so your meta campaigns get the credit they deserve. Next, I build custom funnel explorations. We pinpoint exactly where your Next.js site visitors are stalling after entering their email. For deep reporting, I audit and redesign your Looker Studio dashboards. We connect GA4, Google Sheets, and Stripe for a single source of truth. I blend your data sources to show you real ROAS, CAC, and LTV without you ever having to touch a spreadsheet. I deliver a repeatable weekly workflow. You can check your campaign health and funnel performance in under 5 minutes. The benefit is clear: smart decisions based on accurate numbers. You stop wasting budget on clicks and start scaling what works. With documented logic and clean architecture, your tracking grows with your business, from Shopify to custom Next.js builds. With over 5 years of experience and $11 million in revenue generated for clients, I engineer the precision your business needs. Don't let your data fail in the legacy era. Move to the modern era of precision tracking and clear insights today. Alhamdulillah, I am here to help you scale. If you need this kind of expert help with GA4 or Looker Studio, please message me on WhatsApp. You can find all my contact information in the video description box and pinned comment. Let's build your success story together.